All right, hi guys. I'm going to walk you through what we would like you to do with your Google site, which is your digital portfolio. So several of you have seen this example in design class. And so here is my example of a Google site for my portfolio. And as you can see, I have the home page, a page for math, science, Lang and Lit. And then if I go to more, there's the rest of the subject areas all the way down through homeroom and SEL. Okay, so making sure that you have all of those pages set up. The next thing that you need to do is two parts. You need to submit your URL, your Google site URL via Google Form. That Google Form is going to be shared with you in Google Classroom by your design teachers. So you will go into Google Classroom and fill out this form. Here is what the form looks like. So the questions, you're going to enter your email address, you're going to select which grade you're in, you're going to select your homeroom teacher, and then you're going to paste your website link. So many people in class ask me, how do you get your website link? So from your Google Sites, and remember, if you're in your email and you go to your dots here, you can go to Sites right there, okay? From the Sites page, then you would just select your Google site, okay? So back to my Google site, I need to make sure that I have clicked on the word publish, okay? And so once I've published this, ta-da, then this little paperclip is going to give me the publish site link. So if I click on that, it's going to copy this link. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to go back to the Google form that I was filling out and just click in here and paste that link right in there. That way all of your teachers have access to your Google site, okay? So once you have filled that out, you still have the responsibility to get your goal setting templates into your portfolio, all right? So for example, here I am on my math page. So I have my goal setting template for math that I did, and it should be in your Google Drive, right? So while you're here on your Google site, you can click on From Drive. And sorry, let me go back 1 second just to show this to you. So here I'm on pages. I can navigate to the pages. Themes is where you change the color and the layout and everything. Insert is where you can get to that From Drive. Okay, so From Drive, and this is my Google Drive, so there's lots of folders and lots of things in here. But hopefully for you, you would be able to go to Shared with Me, and you'll be able to find your goal setting template in here, okay? And so you have a couple of options. One, you could decide, here's the acceptable use policy. I'll use this as an example. Okay, so you could decide to take this link, or take this document, excuse me, and click on Insert. What's going to happen if you do that is that the document is going to be sort of pasted in its entirety onto your page, okay? If you want your goal setting document to be on your page like this, that's perfectly fine. But there's a couple other ways you could do this. You can also click into the text box and get a hyperlink, okay? So the way that that would work is that you would open up your document in Google Drive and get the link for it and paste it in there, okay? So again, if you were in Drive and you wanted to get your goal setting template, figure out which one you're working with, okay? So for example, if I needed like my math one, okay? Then what I would want to do is click on this document, open it up, all right? And let's say this was my math one. Then what I'm going to do is I want to get the link to that document, okay? So you can click on the share button, okay? When you click on the share button, go to who has access, okay? Link sharing right now is off. So if I turn link sharing on, now I can copy this link, click, copy that link, and go back to my portfolio page, and I can go like this, and I can apply the link, okay? And that's all that it takes. So that is your goal setting document linked right there on your page. You may decide that you want to do something like, you know, my goal setting for math, and this was September, right? 2019, like this, and then here's your goals. That will help your parents, yourselves, your teachers click through your Google site and look at your goal setting for each subject. Okay, I hope that that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Look for that Google form in your design class, Google Classroom, and then let myself or Mr. Corrigan know if you need help with it. Okay, we want to make sure this gets done in the next day or so that it's ready for conferences. Thanks, guys.